If you want to insert SIM card into Realme GT 7T, then first of all you need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box. Over here at the bottom of the phone you should be able to find the SIM tray with this little hole. And we need to insert our eject tool into that hole and use a little bit of force once we put it in. Use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. So it should look something like this. Now use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now we can insert our SIM card into the SIM card slot. So essentially you need to match the shape of the slot. So in my case it is like this. Of course over here we have this image and it should go in really easily without any issues. Make sure that it is fully in. Whoops, I just accidentally popped it out. But that's okay. Make sure that it is fully in and that it doesn't stick out, because otherwise you might have trouble with inserting the SIM tray back into the phone. Alright. And also we can insert the second SIM card on the reverse side if you have one. And if you want to, of course. Once you have all your SIM cards inserted into the SIM tray, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Just push it down with your finger. Make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.